Hello and welcome back to Simple Money Podcast, Canada's own personal finance podcast that covers those personal finance questions that are important to you and your family. I'm your host, Matthew Sewick, also known as the Friendly Financial Coach. So just this past Monday, like a financial Oprah, the Financial Minister Bill Morneau announced a motion that would give an estimated 20 million Canadians a tax break beginning in 2020, completing a promise from the most recent federal election. Today we're going to be covering the details of this program and what it means to you. So first, the nerdy details on how this new promise will work. This program is being implemented by increasing the amount of the basic personal amount. We've covered this many times on this podcast, but this is a non-refundable tax credit that essentially eliminates any federal taxes owing when you earn under a specific amount. Each province and territory has a basic personal amount as well that applies to the provincial portion of your income taxes. So the previously announced federal basic personal amount in 2020 before these changes was supposed to be just under $12,300, and this equates to a tax credit of $1,844. And as the basic personal amount works is when you earn under this threshold, you typically don't have to pay any federal taxes. And those that earn above that amount will have their taxes reduced by that amount. However, the most recent motion changes all of that. The basic personal amount will gradually increase to $15,000 over a 4-year period ending in 2023. This means that the new basic personal amount for 2020 will be $13,229 and will increase by about $600 to $800 per year afterwards until it hits the $15,000 mark. The expected savings from this change is just under $140 for individuals and $280 for couples. The impact when fully implemented in 2023 will be up to $300 for individuals and $600 for couples. The benefit is also designed to be progressive, meaning that it begins to be phased out when individuals earn above $150,473 and fully eliminated at $214,368. Those that don't receive this benefit will just receive the original basic personal amount. So that's the basics of the program, but what do we think? The bottom line is that it's a very minimum tax cut for those that earn under $154,473. The amount is not massive, but it can definitely help a household cover their monthly expenses or be used to achieve a financial goal. The savings may not even be noticed though, because accounting departments will probably adjust withheld taxes on paychecks to reflect these changes, meaning that the fully implemented $300 tax savings would translate to approximately $11 for each bi-weekly paycheck. A big lingering question about this program is, where is this money going to come from? These changes reduce the amount of taxes that the government will collect, and all things being equal will increase the federal deficit. Some expect that further changes will be announced to make up this gap. And as a minority government, the Liberals will need oppositional support from either the PCs or NDPs to fully pass it. This can cause the motion to be amended or even withdrawn if there is no support. Already the opposition parties are making counter bargains to get this passed, including the discussions about implementing dental care for low-income households and reducing the threshold amount where this benefit gets clawed back. Either way, expect to hear a lot more about this program in the near future. Thank you again for listening to Simple Money Podcast. If you have any questions, you could directly contact me at info@ffcoach.ca, or you can find me on Twitter at @f_fcoach. Thank you so much and talk to you soon.